heading to the Warrior Babies, Miracles Angels here in Cavite, and we're going to be spending a little bit of time with the less fortunate, trying to help them in any way we can. So we're here with our t-shirts representing Wilmera's Angels, and we're looking forward to the day and helping out. Stick around, guys. We're led by our Captain Rika with gonna lead the way for us. See you later. So we're heading to the Warrior Babies, and there, what are we donating today? Necessities in life we're going to be providing today, just a little bit, just to help them out and hope for a better tomorrow. So we're heading there now, and see you later. We're here in McDonald's ordering stuff, ordering some food so we can give away.
Batang lalaki na malaki ang parang dalawa tatlo. May fries eh. Mga try lang sa akin. Ano sa'yo to? Kuya pa ko pasta doon. Sa kanila. Crispy chicken cake. Apple juice yung sa akin, man.
Ito po may apple juice. Ketchup. Get me one ketchup. Alright, we're here at McDonald's, Cavite. And we're ready to spend time with the Warrior Babies. So, let's take a look. Here we are.
Toy, toy. Hi, toy, toy. Gino, flying kisses. O, kain muna kayo. Kain ka naman eh. Kain ka lang dyan. Kain na, kain.
Ano yan?
6
Asum?
cash.
Number 2.
1.
1?
Okay na.
Saan yan? Sure?
Short. Facing.
Ito lang, ayaw niya po naman ketchup sa akin. Toy-toy po, sir. Toy-toy. Hello po, Sir Win. Toy-toy. Tayo na po.
your name? Ano pangalan mo?
Pangalan mo,
Ha? Ano pangalan mo? J-Lo? Ilang taon ka na, J-Lo?
Ilan taong ka na daw?
Okay ba yung chicken? Okay, sige, kain ka ulit, okay?
Ito si
Ano pangalan mo?
Clint po.
Clint. Lakas ng appetite mo, Clint.
Clean post ka.
Ha? Kain ka lang, Clint, okay? Marami pa yan.
Ayun, si Peppa.
Ano pangalan?
Tetay po.
Hello, Pepay. Kumain ka na, Pepay? Ha? Sige, kain ka pa. Okay. Ano pangalan? Ano?
Skylar po.
Skylar. Kamusta na, Skylar? Kumain ka na?
Di pa tapos.
Oh, sige, kain ka lang, ha? Ito yung baby. Ano pangalan?
Cloyd po, Cloyd.
Ah, Cloyd, okay. Nasa bahay siya?
Opo.
Oh, okay. Sige. Good. Pinadala mo ng chicken si Cloyd. Si Cloyd.
Kapakaidas ko.
Likod lang. Okay. Got it. We're here with the warrior babies. Miracles Angels. Here's the, some more food.
Ano sasabihin?
Ano na lang po namin kayo.
Okay.
Picturean ko lang po, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Mas bumaba pa yung stress. Ako pang ano, yan ang gising sa GC. Ano, iba yun niya ulit?
Ano sasabihin?
Nako, ganito. Ako na sakit to.
Thank you.
Mama. 1, 2, 3. Sapa. Sapa. Kasama ako dyan? Hindi.
Lagyan ng ice cream. Bilis.
Sapa dito. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Smile, Jello. Jello.
Tissue. Ano sabihin?
So that concludes our Miracles Angels adventure today here in McDonald's, Cavite.
And we see all the babies here.
For all the babies, everybody's happy. And we are ready to go. Good job.